Costco Automotive Battery is one of the #1 batteries in the world, and the reason is not far-fetched. They offer Interstate brand batteries for boats, cars, RVs, golf carts, and lawnmowers. So, how can one buy a car battery at Costco? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy car battery at Costco. Step 1. Get a Costco membership. Before you start your car battery shopping journey at Costco, you need to first ensure you have an active Costco membership because shopping at Costco requires a membership, meaning that if you don't have a Costco membership, you won't be able to purchase the battery from Costco. So if you don't have one, you can sign up for Costco membership using the link on the description. Step 2. Check the specifications of your car's battery. The next step in buying a battery at Costco is to check the specifications of your current car battery to purchase the right one. Step 3. Visit the Costco warehouse head to your nearest Costco location. Once you get there, go to the Costco's automotive section. This section usually stocks a variety of car batteries. Look for the battery you wish to buy by following the specifications noted from your old battery. If you're unsure about which battery to buy or choose, ask a Costco employee for help. Step 4. Compare battery options. At Costco, you will likely find batteries from the Interstate brand, known for their reliability. Compare different Interstate battery models. Check for the specifications that match your car's needs, and consider the prices. Step 5. Make the purchase. Once you've selected the appropriate battery for your car, it's time to buy it. Take the battery to the checkout. Make sure to bring your Costco membership card. This is when it will be needed. Hand over the battery as well as the membership card to the sales rep and make your payment. However, you can also purchase car batteries online at Costco's website. All you need to do is to check if the battery is available and purchase it using your membership. Step 6. Handle the core charge and exchange. When buying a new battery, there's often a core charge, which is a deposit to encourage the return of old batteries for recycling. So, if you don't bring your old battery when purchasing a new one, you might have to pay a core charge fee of $15, which will be refunded when you return the old battery. However, if you wish to avoid the core charge, then bring your old battery with you to Costco when purchasing a new one. The staff will assist you with the exchange. Step 7. Install the new battery. The next step is to install the new battery in your car. If you're confident in your skills, you can install the battery yourself. Make sure to follow safety precautions and have the necessary tools. Since Costco doesn't offer battery installation services, you can take your new battery to a local auto service center for installation. They can aid you in installing the battery the right way. Step 8. Recycle the old battery. Proper disposal of your old battery is important for the environment. So, the best way to do this is by returning the old battery to Costco to get your core charge refunded. That is, if you haven't done so already. You can also take the old battery to a local recycling center that accepts car batteries. This is how to buy a car battery at Costco. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.